Whoa. Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my god. This is incredible. Goodness. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. It's not as fast as I thought, but maybe I can go a little bit quicker. Oh my gosh. The scenery is awesome, by the way. Lots of nice trees, lots of forestry. Wow. Very cool. Looks like the brake handle is really nice. Once I pull back, it's able to. I can feel the pressure of it, or the brakes, I guess you could say. Wow, this is so awesome. My goodness. I've never experienced something like this. It's incredible. Wow. Just look at the bottom there. It looks like there's a safety fence area, which is nice, just in case these tilt over or anything like that. Whoa, nice curves here. Very nice curves. Ooh. It's like a little snake path. Oh, whoa. Wow. Oh my god. This is awesome. Oh my. If you guys come, please try this. So exhilarating. Oh, oh, beautiful dip. Beautiful dip. Oh, wow. This is like some kind of cave. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. Looks like we go here. Whoa. So does it take control over? I think, yeah. Looks like in this area the car automatically takes over from here, but you can see the waterfall is down there. Whoa, whoa. Wow, the difference in the slope is so steep. Wow. This is awesome. Wow, look at this view. This is incredible. Alright, looks like now it just starts. Now I have to use the brake or something, or the lever. You can see that the coasters go up automatically, upwards, so they bring you down and they take you up. So that's kind of convenient. For some reason, I thought once they brought you down, you had to walk upwards. So very awesome that they have that service. Full round trip for 250,000 dong, which is about 850 or somewhere within the $8 range. But just look at the waterfall. Wow, that's incredible. Very awesome. Wow. It's amazing. So beautiful. Looks like some folks are gonna take some pictures here. Need to get out of the way. But this is just amazing and stunning, to say the least. Wow. The greenery is so lush. And just for your awareness, there is no swimming here. If you bring your swimsuit, probably not a good idea to go in for a dive, especially off that waterfall. I'm gonna climb up there. Gonna go all the way to the top and see what the view is like. Looks so beautiful. I hope you're not wearing heels when you come up, because these stairs definitely quite steep. So make sure you stretch your quads and hamstrings. Ooh, definitely a steep stairs. Ooh, my goodness, quite steep. I'm a little bit out of breath. Ooh, look how high that is. But here I am. Dang, I haven't done the Stairmaster in a while, so definitely need to get back to that, but a little too late, right? Just a matter of keeping on going. Ooh, can definitely feel the heat on my quads and hamstrings. Ooh. If you get tired, you can grab onto this rail. Ooh. Definitely a workout. Ooh. But I'm sure it's gonna be worth it. Reaching the top here. Ooh. Just a few more stairs. These are easy. So if you come, definitely wear comfortable shoes. I for one wear New Balance. So comfortable. So looks like we're at a good peak in terms of our escalation or elevation. Okay, so it looks like I gotta go down just a little bit to reach the top of the waterfall. Oh well, there's a lot of pipes down here. Not sure what that's about. Probably helps manage the flow of the water. Definitely watch your step as you come to the top. Good workout though. Very good workout. Let's see. Yeah, it's over here. This is the... Oh, these look a little bit slippery. But ooh. Wow. Look at that. Oh. Watch your step there. Oh. Made it. Look at that. Oh my. Definitely makes the workout worth it. Seeing nature in all its glory. Or some glory. Or most of glory. Wow. So beautiful. Just to see the river crossing through the forest or jungle. I'm not sure what that is, but you can see here. That's where it starts, or at least one of them starts, but I was down there and I came up through those stairs and walked all the way up here. So, incredible view. There's more over here. See what this is all about. Wow. Whoa. Definitely don't want to go swimming there, right? Wow. That water is powerful. I can feel the pressure just mounting from how the water flows downwards. Jeez. You know, one interesting thing that I noticed, it's not cool. Like, the water's not cool. I feel pretty hot. I mean, I just came up, but I don't feel that what would you call it? The brisky overflow from the water. But yeah, Very beautiful. You can see another shot of the waterfall here. Isn't that gorgeous? So I've made it to, I think, the maximum top of the waterfall in this area. I am a little bit out of breath, but if I thought that one previous spot was beautiful, this is even more beautiful. My goodness. Wow. This is so beautiful. You got King Kong over there. Not sure what that's about, but his arms look a little bit like he hasn't hit the gym or the weights, but wow, incredible, incredible. The scenery is so beautiful. Just look at the backdrop to that. It's so lush. The forest full of green. Very beautiful. And once you reach the top, you're thirsty or anything like that, you can go to the Seed Cafe. There's no A in that second word, so I guess it's called cafe. Play on words a little bit, but this is so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. Look at these rocks. They have some kind of cool pattern. Not sure if that's, I'm pretty sure that's not natural, or is it? I don't know. They have some other decorations here. Some tribal statue and what looks like a tiger, or yeah, tiger and a crow, or giant crow. Some lady just went inside the gorilla, or King Kong. It's amazing. Definitely make sure you don't wear high heels. So this is the view from the top. I was standing right over there. Now I made my way over here, but look at how the waterfall just kind of comes in. And the sound is so beautiful, especially if you want to go to bed. It's a good place to take a nap. Definitely enjoying this view. So another amazing view here. You can see the different levels of the waterfall. Just a splendid view. Everybody's taking, or a lot of folks are taking pictures here. The tour groups come here. Looks like folks are having a really good time. Thought this was pretty cool. I'm not sure what this little building is, but I think it's a place, I'm looking at it a little bit closer, it's a place where you can pick some of the traditional clothing and you can take a picture there, which is a really nice one, I would say, because that's a backdrop to the river. So that's pretty cool. Wow, that was a steep hike, I'll tell you that. And you can tell by my voice I'm a little bit tired. My quads and hamstrings are definitely gonna feel it tomorrow, probably even my lower back, because I'm also carrying a little bag. And yeah, it stays like this where I'm so thankful that I get to travel. I'm healthy enough to travel, and it's amazing the different places I've been to and different experiences that I've had. A long time ago I met an older gentleman. He told me one of the things he regretted was not having been able to travel during his youth, and when he got a little too old he had a few health issues and just couldn't make trips like this. But I've seen it in I've heard it at least in different folks, but man, it's so beautiful and gorgeous. And and one of the things that I like to keep in my videos is not to edit too much. I want to present a raw, natural video, even though I am tired, I am gasping, and just admiring the beauty of this place. So incredible. Well, I thought I had to go back down to get the cart or the coaster, to go back all the way up. But it looks like they also have a coaster here, so I'm just gonna grab it here and go up and get some water too.